Bern. So this is the train IC8. So it is going to Romanshan. I have to go to Romanshan, but I have to first store my luggage here. Then I will go to Romanshan and St. Gallen, Appenzell. Then I go to my hostel. So you can see Flughafen. Flughafen means airport, and Winterthur, and then it goes to Romanshan. So Zurich Flughafen, they are called Flughafen. So you can see Zurich IC8, Romanshan. This is the kids playing area in the train. Excellent. So now I have to see for the luggage storage, self storage. So just store my luggage suitcase and I can pay by credit card or cash. So then I will take a train. So maybe test 10-15 minutes. Main train station in Zurich. So I came in the year 2013, but I didn't have time to spend here. But today I will just spend time. So you can see the different timings for the trains. So now the time is 12 o'clock. So you can see the train to Brig, Lausanne. Brig is border to Italy. Lausanne is border to France. Zug. From platform 4, platform 5, Schaffhausen. So all the trains are going to different cities in the country. So there are frequent connection to Zurich because Zurich is main city, business capital, and excellent city. So now I have to see for the lockers. I can ask. So platform 3 might be, it is towards platform 1. So definitely I will have lockers in somewhere in platform 1 or 2. They are all different platforms. So this is platform 41, 21, 22, 40. So I can't have lockers here. So it must be in the central office, central station or main station. 3. Now the time is 12. The platform 4, 5, 6. You can see all beautiful IC trains. Excellent. Going to different cities. So this is the upper floor, like ground floor. So I am coming from there is -1. So now I have to look for the locker in front of Zurich station. You can see post, people, trains, platforms, tracks, everything. So I am going to central station, like central building. This is central station, but I am going to central building. So where I can find self-storage lockers. So then I will be free till the evening without my luggage. So I can just enjoy. I can go to St. Gallen, Appenzell, and Romanshan. So these 3 places I want to visit today. So I think I have to go down. This is the main station, heart of main station. So you can see the big digital boards. So that's excellent. The digital boards always attracts me. So I want to always spend time here. So this is a kiosk. I will have something. I am already feeling hungry. So these are different trains from platform 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can see all display. So I will come back and see the display after storing my luggage. Based on that, I will plan my lunch. So I can see lockers left side down. So you can see the symbol. So waiting room. The person waiting with suitcase, that is waiting room. And a suitcase and key, that is locker. And WC, all are downstairs. So clearly visible. No need to ask anyone. So now the time is 12:10, 12:08. So that same watch we can see everywhere in Swiss stations, train stations and Swiss offices, train offices. So I am going down to keep my luggage for next maybe 5-6 hours before I come back from St. Gallen and Romanshan and Appenzell. So I have to use this 5 series. First, what I have to do, press English language, press deposit and put luggage in available locker in facility 5. So I have to just check. No, there is no available. There is no locker available, all are red. And then now I come to this place. So English, deposit, put luggage in available locker in 6. No, all are red. So they are all occupied. From starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are all full. So what option I have next? Either I have to go to St. Gallen or Romanshah. St. Gallen is better. I can keep my luggage and then I can travel from there. So here it is now. I have put, finally I found lockers here. There are plenty of lockers this way, this side. So I have put in 9 series and 26 number. So what I have done, I just entered English language, then deposit, and it will say put luggage in available locker in facility 9. This is facility 9. I have put in this 26M, and then I have paid my credit card here, and then QR code came, print, and that's it. I have put my luggage in the locker, 9 series, 26 number. So now I am free. I will eat something, and then I go to either St. Gallen or Romanshah based on the train availability. So now it is 12:20. At least I will start in next half an hour. So I don't want to waste time, more time here. This restaurant, fast food center. I want to have fries, 650 francs. Just I am waiting in the queue. I have to order here, and I have to wait in the next queue. Fries and ketchup, it is 7 francs. My token number is 133. So I am waiting here in the pickup area. Timetable. I have just missed one train to St. Gallen. I was eating fries in the restaurant. I would have come here and checked the number and the timetable. So it's fine. Next train to St. Gallen is at 1:03. Either I want to go to 1:05 Romanshah. So from platform 34, St. Gallen is platform 33. So I just decided to go to Romanshah because I have never visited Romanshah. Platform 34 at 1:05 p.m. 1 croissant here for 2 francs. Here for 2 francs for both this platform 34. So you can see 21 to 34 this area. So my train is at 1:05 p.m. So I'm just going. So I have to take this platforms 31 to 34 straight. See the board, the display everywhere. So platform 34, IC81, my favorite train is going to Romanshah via Flughafen and Winterthur. I'm at platform 34. Now train will come within any minute. So 1:05 is the train. So I have to stand back because first 2-3 coaches are first class and the next 4 coaches are second class. So that's why I'm going. See, train is coming. So I'm going just far end of the train. So this is the train for next 1 hour going to Romanshah. This is fine. This is a double decker, my favorite train. So the train I wanted to take to St. Gallen, it is not double decker. So lucky I have made a decision to go to Romanshah. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.